the risk-free cryptocurrency trade is making a comeback in a big way. The spread between Bitcoin futures and the current price of the digital currency offers the highest annualized return over the next 5 months. The closest thing to a risk-free bet has resurfaced in the cryptocurrency market, as traders bid up the price of futures in anticipation of the launch of the first Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. According to data from FRNT Financial, the spread between Bitcoin futures and the digital currency's price offers the highest annualized return in 5 months. This means that the so-called basis trade, in which a speculator purchases Bitcoin in the spot market and sells long-dated futures in order to lock in the difference between the two prices, has been reinstated. And it's occurring amid a Bitcoin price surge fueled by optimism that the Securities and Exchange Commission will soon approve the first US Bitcoin futures ETF. It's a pattern that repeats itself in crypto and is uncommon in other markets, according to Strahinja Savic, head of data and analytics at FRNT Financial. Individual investors are the primary drivers, as they use futures to leverage their positions and make price predictions. Crypto is unique in that it has a much higher retail participation rate than sophisticated institutional actors, who typically reduce exaggerated contango through arbs trade. Savage was referring to arbitration. Given the absence of those actors in comparison to other assets, BTC is prone to these aggressive contangos during bull markets. We believe this is an extremely undervalued and lucrative strategy in crypto. Futures typically trade at a discount to spot, a condition known as contango. Contango and backwardation are terms used to describe curve structures that represent traders' estimates of how much a particular contract might be worth in the future. Contango denotes an upward slope, whereas backwardation denotes a downward slope. Because there is no cap on futures open interest, futures in contango indicate that the supply of Bitcoin is plentiful, according to Steve Sosnick, chief strategist at Interactive Brokers. As long as sufficient traders post sufficient margin with a clearinghouse, any two counterparties can initiate a trade and create a new futures contract, he explained. Many traders may be betting right now that a futures-based ETF will act as a significant forced buyer in the market. Whatever money flows into the product must be used to purchase futures contracts, the logic goes. A well-hyped new asset class is contractually obligated to purchase these futures, and traders are adjusting and front-running accordingly, he stated. While it is entirely possible that the market got ahead of itself, which is a risk in the crypto space, there is clearly a bet being made that new money will enter crypto via futures ETFs. To be sure, more traders may seek to profit from the spread, implying that it may narrow, according to Zhu Su of hedge fund 3 Arrows Capital. You're going to see a lot of capital flow into arbitrage because it's going to become very attractive. If you can earn 6% or 10% on dollars, there are a lot of guys who will cooperate, and to do that, the co-founder of the firm stated. All it takes is for one bank or one participant to invest a few $1 billion. It's not going to be that bad if you zoom out. Though it collapsed earlier this year amid a sell-off in cryptocurrency prices, the basis trade has been one of the most prevalent in the crypto industry. It is widely used by hedge funds due to its consistent ability to generate double-digit annual returns. The futures price is higher than the spot price, and this is where the big boys engage in a lot of arbitrage. According to Howard Greenberg, president of the American Blockchain and Cryptocurrency Association in Washington, D.C., and cryptocurrency educator at Prosper Trading Academy. They'll play the spread, they'll purchase the underlying asset at a discount, bid up the futures, and then sell into the market's strength. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, Please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents.